Yeah, it's up a dice. Yeah, raise up me on the pond.
Oh yeah, fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀.
Yeah,
Oh yeah, fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀.
yeah.
Oh yeah, fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀. Fún wọn jẹ bí ṣe wẹ́gbẹ̀.
Mr.
Oh yeah, fún wọn lẹ́gbẹ̀gbẹ̀.
Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Antoinette Ilolo. I did my brows off camera, so I'm just showing you the things that I used for my eyeshadow. The things I used. So for the eyeshadow palette I use this V Beauty Planet. So I go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn, and then I apply it all over my eyes. Oh guys, I forgot to show you my beautiful good old mirror. I love this mirror. So I just blend everything out with the brush, and I also use my hands to smoothen everything like that. Then I go in with the banana setting powder, Classic Makeup USA. That's the product. It's very good and it's very affordable, trust me guys. Then I use an orange like shade for my transition color. I just move it back and forth in a circular like kind of motion. Yes, I use just 2 eyeshadows to create this look guys, just 2. You guys will see. Then I'm going in with a clean brush to just blend up any harsh lines, just making it clean. Then I use another brush and I use the eyeshadow, a purple eyeshadow. I took just very little to make it very light. I just add it, using it on my crease, just like that. Blend, blend, blend. Blending is key guys, blending is key. So I take that same clean brush to just blend both eyeshadows together. Just blend, blend, blend. Then I take another brush, that same purple eyeshadow I used for the crease. I take it in a more dense quantity and I just apply it on my lid, all over my lid areas. Just patting it, taking more and patting it. Then I use the same clean brush to just smoothen and blend everything together. So guys, moving on to the face. These are the products I use. I'm sorry, I also did my lashes, my waterline and my eyeliner off camera. Here I'm just priming my face with Pond's Lasting Oil Control Vanishing Cream. Like, it's very good, especially for oily skin. Then I'm using my LA Girl Pro Concealer color corrector to just color correct my face. I don't have dark under eyes, but I just have some little blemishes that I just wanted to correct. Then I go in with my NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator in the shade Sun Goddess. I call it NYX. I don't know why, but I just I love this. Like, I love this glow. It's really, really good. And I just apply it all over my face. Then I go in with my foundation, Maybelline in the shade 360 Mocha. I call it Mocha. I just blend to my neck, blend everywhere. Just apply it. Then I go in with the Beauty Blender sponge and I just dab in. Everything just cools down whenever I use the Beauty Blender sponge. Like, it's really cool guys. Whoever created the Beauty Blender sponge is a genius. Then I apply in the other parts of my face, my forehead. You guys notice as I'm applying on my forehead, I left some inches off from my hairline. The reason is because when I use the Beauty Blender sponge to dab in, it will naturally push back to the hairline, so you don't have to put the foundation there. You just have to place it some inches away. See, everything just blends in just like that. Then I use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn again to highlight under my eyes, bridge of my nose, my forehead, all the part under my nose, not just my cupid's bow, under my nose. Looks like the wings of an eagle. And under my chin. And I use the Beauty Blender sponge to dab in, to blend. Guys, you want to take your time with this one because blending is key. I tell ya, blending is key. Guys, get really into blending here. And sometimes I prefer to just blend it before I contour. Sometimes I prefer to blend it before I contour. but sometimes I contour. It's just interchangeably. I just do that. Then I go in with my black opal in black walnuts, and I use it to contour. Then the same brush I use for my shadow to set with the powder. That's what I just used to just blend the contour. I'm also going to use the Beauty Blender sponge to, yes, just like that. I'm using the Beauty Blender sponge now to blend everything so that you won't see a demarcation or a line in between the highlighting and the contouring. You don't want to do that, guys. Nah, just blend like God is the master makeup artist. If you look at your face, everything just going from one shade to the other. So guys, blending. Then that is the banana setting powder I told you guys of, the classic product. Is very good, very good. Like if I'm having a long day, I apply lots of this powder on my face, and guys, I tell ya, it hurts my face real good. And people be like, did you just do your makeup? Because as the hours go by, your face tends to be more pretty, like as if you just applied makeup. That's how it does. I don't know the magic in the powder. Like, it's really good. Maybe I'll do a review on it someday. I don't know. So I'm just dusting off part of the powder on my lips, and these are the products I'm going to be using for the lips. Yeah, so I'm using this lip pencil. The name is River J UK number 019 chance, whatever that means, but that's the name of the lip pencil, or that's what's written on it. And I rub my lips together, or what people call smack, or whatever it is, but I shall bring it in. I rub my lips together. I'm trying to even out everything. Then I use the lipstick Beyond Beauty number 42, the same color with my lip liner, and I just apply it carefully, not beyond my lip line. I made a mistake there, but I'll clean it up. Then I go into Maybelline New York Super Stay Matte Ink in number 55. Like this is nude. Yeah, I really love this lipstick, and it smells nice. Smells really nice. Then I use a black eye pencil. You can use any black eye pencil for these guys. I've forgotten the name. I'll list it down below. I'm using this black eye pencil just to make the look darker and a little bit ombrage. The word like ombrage. Just going to see how beautiful it is, guys. It's just pretty. So I rub my lips together. So I'm using these two colors to contour my face. Yeah, in classic palettes. Classic products are good. They're trying. They're doing really well. Not trying, they're doing really well. Then I just dust off with a clean brush, kabuki brush. Just dust off the powder. I'm done setting. Then I go in with a shade, that's it, 2 shades lighter than me, to just set under my eyes, my chin, my forehead. Then I use a shade darker than me to clean off under my contour. That's what they call the reverse contour. I just use it to clean it off a bit so that it's not too harsh. Moving on to the eyes, I use the same eyeshadow I used for my lower lash, under my lower lash, and I just apply it like that. Using the mascara, I will list it down below. I just pick out my lower lash lines just like that. It's necessary you guys pick it out because it's really pretty. Then I'm cleaning my lips. One thing you guys need to know about this is that you just clean the edges up and down and you are good to go. It defines the lip a lot. Then I use the powder to just clean everything up. Then I'm using the face definer by Zaron, shade P15 as my highlighter. It wasn't glowing enough for me, so I went in using the Kiss Beauty, and wow, that was some glowing. Yeah, So my camera went off. I had to charge my battery, and I finished this look in the night. I wore my wig here, and I started braiding it. I'm trying to recreate the look in my intro. These are the things I used. I just apply. It's a necklace. I just put it on my head, and I use that tiny pin to pin it. Let's zoom in closer. See, just like that. Yeah. And so guys, this is the finished look. Like, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all. This is the outside look. Bye.